Hello friends, today I am going to discuss the Winget function of Windows. Here we will learn some commonly used commands of Winget. Let's start. Through the Winget command, you can update the software and driver of your system by yourself, without the help of any external software. And friends, if the information provided in this video is good, then must like and subscribe to my channel for more information. Thanks.
At the end of the video, I will tell you 2 additional features of Winget Terminal. These 2 features are also useful for you. Please watch the video till the end.
To use Winget function in Windows, first press Windows icon from keyboard, type CMD in search box, and run it as an administrator. After it, inside the CMD in command line, type Winget, press space, LIST, and then press enter. It will take few seconds to load the list of all software and driver installed in your PC or laptop. Here, you can see the list of all software and driver installed on your system. As you can see, this is the list of all software and driver installed on your system. Now, if you want to update any software from systems, in my laptop I want to update 7.zip software. To update the particular software, first copy the ID of that software followed by the name column of the list. Type in the next command line Winget, press space UPGRADE and paste the ID name of the software that you copied, then press enter. It will take few seconds to find and apply the update if available. As you can see, there is no update available for that software, but you can go for another one. Now we uninstall the unused software from my laptop. To uninstall the particular software from a laptop or PC, you can check the previously opened list of software, or you can open a new list by typing Winget list. Here I will uninstall that software, which I use rarely. I will uninstall any desk software from my installed software list. In this case, we have to do same step as previous. Copy the ID of the software which I want to uninstall. In command line type Winget space UNINSTALL and paste the ID of the software that you copied, then press enter. It will also take few seconds to uninstall the software. Click on uninstall. Then click on OK. As you can see, the software is uninstalled successfully. Now check all the available updates on your system. Again, type in the command line Winget space UPGRADE and press enter. Wait for a few seconds. It will show you all the available updates on your system. Again, in the command line type Winget space UPGRADE space 2 times -all and then press enter. First it will show the list of all available updates, and then installation of updates will start automatically. As you can see in the command prompt window, the installation of all the updates has been done successfully. Restart the PC or laptop if required. So here is the first additional feature of Winget Terminal. First type in command prompt command line Winget space SEARCH power toys and press enter. It will also take few seconds to load all available versions of Power Toys. Again, in command line type Winget space INSTALL and name of the package you copied from app name. I am using double inverted in app name or package name because app name has space between their full name. To trim the space, I am using double inverted comma. Press enter. Press Y and hit enter. It will take time to install package as per the size. As you can see, that installation of the package has been done successfully. Always use double inverted comma if there is space between name. To search for any package, type in command line like this Winget space SEARCH and name of the package in double inverted comma. You can see all the latest available packages here. Here is the command to install multiple packages at once. You can write this command by yourself. Only you have to understand the code. I am simply copying it and pasting in the command prompt window. Paste the command and hit enter. Installation of the packages will take time. These packages will install one by one automatically, just grant permission by clicking OK or Next if asked. All the packages has been installed successfully.
Here we go.